Ever wondered how to put a unique twist on classic Christmas candy? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're venturing into the world of Flavorful Fudge Creations. Fudge, a beloved holiday treat, is about to get a whimsical makeover. With a dash of creativity and a sprinkle of magic, we're going to transform this traditional sweet into something extraordinary. So, are you ready to unravel the secrets of these irresistible fudge creations? Let's dive in. First things first, gather your magic ingredients. You'll need chocolate, the heart of our fudge, giving it that rich, indulgent flavor. Then, sweet condensed milk to create a smooth and creamy texture. Add a pinch of sea salt. It's not just for savory dishes. It enhances the sweetness and balances the flavors. And of course, your unique twist, like crushed peppermint candies for a festive kick or dried fruit for a chewy surprise. Got all your ingredients ready? Now it's time to get cooking. Now, step into the world of fudge making. It all starts with melting a combination of sugar, butter, and milk over a medium heat, stirring consistently until your mix achieves a silky, glossy texture. Then, add your chosen chocolate and continue stirring until it's completely melted. This is where precision is key. Overstirring can make your fudge grainy, while understirring can leave it too soft. Once you've nailed this balance, it's time for the twist. Whether that's a sprinkle of sea salt, a dash of chili, or a handful of crushed nuts, it's your chance to get creative. Finally, pour the mixture into a lined tray and let it cool. And there you have it, your very own flavorful fudge creations. So, how does it feel to be a master fudge maker? A round of applause for creating your own fudge wonders. Dare to experiment with unique flavors and ingredients for your own signature twist. Remember, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more sweet and savory adventures. Happy fudge making!